we'll come back to default. Today, we're diving into a comparison of Truist Financial and Northern Trust to help you decide which financial institution might be a better fit for your needs. We'll consider that Truist Financial serves a broad range of customers, while Northern Trust caters more specifically to wealth management. First, let's explore Truist Financial. Formed through the merger of bbandt and suntrust, Truist offers a wide array of services. These include retail banking options like checking and savings accounts, as well as loans. They also provide commercial banking services, such as business loans and treasury services, alongside wealth management and mortgage options. Geographically, Truist primarily focuses on the southeastern United States, with a significant number of branches and ATMs. Their target customer base is broad, encompassing individuals, small businesses, and large corporations. Now, let's turn our attention to Northern Trust. Northern Trust has a long and established history as a wealth management firm, known for its stability and fiduciary responsibility. Their services include wealth management, which involves investment management and financial planning, as well as asset servicing, like custody and fund administration. They also offer private banking services, providing loans and deposits specifically for high-net-worth clients. Northern Trust has a global presence, operating in key financial centers worldwide and focusing on serving global clients. Their target customers are typically high-net-worth individuals, families, and institutions. Further compare these institutions, we need to look at their financial performance and stability. For Truist Financial, we'll consider key financial metrics like total assets, revenue, and profit, as well as their credit ratings and their recent financial performance trends. Then, we'll examine Northern Trust's key financial metrics, which include assets under management, revenue, and profit, alongside their credit ratings and recent financial performance. Finally, we'll compare their overall financial health and stability based on the available data, highlighting any key differences in their financial structures. We'll analyze the fees and pricing associated with each institution. For Truist Financial, we'll look at the typical fees for retail banking services, fees for wealth management services, if applicable, and loan interest rates. For Northern Trust, we'll look at the fee structures for wealth management and asset servicing, as well as minimum investment requirements. We'll then compare the cost of services for comparable offerings and discuss the transparency of their respective fee structures. ETs also consider technology and innovation. We will evaluate Truist Financial's online and mobile banking platforms, digital payment options, and innovation initiatives, such as fintech partnerships. Then we will look into Northern Trust's technology platforms for wealth management and asset servicing, their focus on data security and privacy, and their innovation in investment strategies. Finally, we'll evaluate the user-friendliness and functionality of their digital platforms and assess their overall commitment to innovation. Another essential factor to consider is customer service. For Truist Financial, we'll explore their customer service channels, including branches, phone, and online options, along with any available customer satisfaction ratings and their overall accessibility and responsiveness. In contrast, Northern Trust offers a personalized service model for high-net-worth clients, taking a relationship management approach. We will look at their customer feedback and reviews. Then, we'll compare the quality and availability of customer support and discuss the level of personalization offered by each institution. We need to consider the strengths and weaknesses of each institution. Truist Financial's strengths lie in its broad service range and strong regional presence. However, potential integration challenges after the merger and less specialized wealth management services could be considered weaknesses. Northern Trust excels in wealth management expertise, maintains a strong reputation, and has a significant global presence. Its weaknesses might include higher entry barriers for average retail customers and potentially higher fees. In conclusion, Truist Financial and Northern Trust cater to different clienteles and offer distinct services. Truist is a good choice for individuals and businesses seeking a broad range of banking services, primarily in the Southeast. Northern Trust, on the other hand, is better suited for high-net-worth individuals and institutions seeking specialized wealth management and asset servicing. Before making a decision, we encourage you to research further and consider your individual circumstances and financial goals. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Default.